All right, welcome back to Island Life Live. You know, Pest Tech Hawaiʻi is a locally owned and family-oriented company who understands the importance of your home.
The Hale serves as the foundation upon which Ohana build their lives together, providing a sanctuary of safety, comfort, and belonging.
Now joining us is the man in charge, the guy who is the best when it comes to getting rid of the pests. We got owner of Pest Tech Hawaiʻi, Matteo. Hello, brother. How are you? Welcome back.
I'm all right.
Hi,
Thank you.
brother. And with him is our good friend, Sean Kama. He's a head consultant and visioneer of Leaders of Action. Gentlemen, thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Thanks for having us.
And Ian, let's go ahead and start off with you because the first time we had you on our show, you didn't talk to us about Pest Tech. You actually talked to us about your partnership with the food bank. And I know that you have this deep love for family and community, but I'm seeing this new partnership here. Tell us a little bit about this.
Well, you're exactly right. Yes, we do kill bugs, but we're a part of the community. We're born and raised here, and so we always made it our mission to help where we can. And so the food bank was one mission. And then something happened very horrible, right? Roughly 2 years ago, we had the Lahaina fires, and there were just tragedy after tragedy. And so I serve on a board of trustees to help a group of churches, and we lost a church in Lahaina. And would you believe that one day I was here talking about bugs, and then this guy was here talking about helping people in Lahaina. So I said, hey, maybe you can help us in Lahaina. And let me, we had a small conversation, and where there was not hope, Sean provided hope for this church and the community. This was not something that we thought we would be able to do. Nothing short of a miracle. Sean is helping to complete this miracle through what he's doing.
Sean, can you share about that? Talk to us about the Lahaina Church and why it's important to you, brother.
Yeah, we believe, when we first started the nonprofit, it's about community. And if we can build a home all day long, right, but if you don't know how to live in one, you don't know how to maintain it, right, you need the church to be able to give you direction in those things. So we know that's the root. And when we was approached to form it, we have ways to do it. Just the way we build, how we charge and things like that, we were very much able to do it. But of course with Ian and what he does there in Lahaina, it was a definite yes. We didn't even think twice about it. But as far as the materials and what we're going to do for this church will last at least 400 years, so I don't have to worry about that anymore.
So beautiful.
That is part of your company philosophy is building long term and the materials you use. So and of course, Ian taking care of our homes and making sure that our homes last as well for a long time and getting rid of the termites and all the other pests.
And I just love the fact that it was right here at Island Life Live that these two buggers were connected. And now look at this incredible collaboration for our Lahaina families and the members of the Lahaina Church. It's beautiful.
How can we help? How can our viewers help you guys in this partnership?
Well, first, keep the tragedy at the front of mind because it's not over. There's a lot of work to be done, and there will be opportunities to help financially. We are going to do a fundraiser on May the 30th, and we'll give a little bit more information on that to help with this project. But that's one of the things you can do. Otherwise, help support this guy and what he's doing out there. Any business that I can throw his way, I absolutely will.
Yeah, and building homes is just part of it. And what's really going on out there is that the fire victims are still victims. It's just been now elongated, right? It's lasting too long. And what we're trying to do is not only build the homes, but rebuild the mental health of the families. Right? So when they get into the homes, it's a happy home. It's not just, oh my goodness. So just one of the things that we're doing is we're actually doing a video as we're building the home. So when they get in there, they'll be able to hear the story of what happened. They can see how the home was built, and they get to watch it all together in the house.
Wow. Beautiful.
So it's part of the healing process.
Aloha personified in these two wonderful gentlemen, Ian Matteo, president of Pest Tech Hawaiʻi, and Sean Kama, head consultant and visioneer.
That's right.
We're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back with some birthdays.
Woohoo. Visioneer. Yeah.